How to create a squad in Mobile Legends. If you want to team up with friends and unlock squad rewards, here's exactly how to create your own squad step by step. Step 1. From the main lobby, tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Step 2. Inside your profile menu, swipe or tap over to the squad tab. If you're not part of a squad yet, you'll see the option to create one. Step 3. Now tap create squad. You'll need to spend 199 diamonds to complete the squad creation. Make sure you have enough. Step 4. Fill in your squad name, short name, region, and a squad description. Choose a name that follows the rules. No special characters or offensive terms. Step 5. Once everything looks good, tap create to officially launch your squad. You can now invite friends, complete squad tasks, and compete together in ranked games. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.